Hi, welcome to the video Spring Authorization Server, how to test get access token with curl. I am Nam Ha Ming at CodeJava.net. In this video, I'd like to share with you how to use the curl tool in command line or terminal in order to test the get access token API provided by an authorization server such as Spring Authorization Server that follows OAuth 2 specification with a demo authorization server running on localhost, and the runtime is client credentials. As per the OAuth 2 specification, the get access token API provided by an authorization server must have the following details. Endpoint is /OAuth2/token. HTTP method is post, and the required parameters in case of the client credentials runtime are client ID, client secret, and of course the runtime must be client credentials. And this here, the response body in case of invalid credentials. It is a JSON document that has only one field error, and the message is invalid client. And this is a response body if the client credentials are valid. It is a JSON document that has three fields: access token, token type, bearer, and the expiration time in the field expired in. So on my computer, I have a Java Spring Boot project that enables an authorization server. Let me start this application here. Okay, it has started on localhost, port number 8080 with context path/. Now, to test the get access token API provided by this Spring Authorization Server in a terminal using curl command line 2, open terminal. On macOS, it is terminal. On Windows, it is command prompt. And type curl and use the -d option to specify the three parameters in the request body like this. The first one, client underscore type equal client underscore credentials. And the second parameter, note that the parameters separated by ampersand. Runtime equal client credentials and client ID is client 1. And the third parameter is client secret password. Okay, so this is the parameters. These are the parameters in the request body, and then the API endpoint, localhost 8080, and the endpoint is /OAuth2/token. Hit enter, and you see I got the response error invalid client. In this example application, I have some example client credentials with the valid values are client 1 and password 1. You can also specify the flag -v here to see the verbose output of the details of request and response. As you can see, the details of the request, post /OAuth2/token, and the content type is application /x www from URL encoded, and the details of the response here. You see status 401 unauthorized, and response body is JSON document, error invalid client. Okay, now next let me test the successful case and clear the console. Now I specify valid values for client ID and client credential, client secret, password 1. Okay, now I got status 200 successful, and the response body is a JSON document that has three fields: access token. The access token here in this field access token, it is encoded in ZWT, and the second field, as you can see, token type is bearer, and the third field I spiced in is about 599 seconds of 10 minutes. You can also use this pipe syntax to prettify the session in the response JSON underscore pp. Now you can see the response JSON is prettified. You can see the fields access token, I spiced in, and token type. So that's very simple to test the get access token API using the curl command tool, as you have seen. Okay, so that's how to test the get access token API provided by an authorization server using curl command tool. Let me sum up the main syntax like this: curl, and to pass parameters in the request body, you can use the -d flag and specify three parameters: grant type, client ID, client secret, and the API endpoint /auth2 /token. And you can use the option -v to see the verbose output to check the details of request and response. And to prettify JSON in the response body, you can use the pipe syntax, pipe JSON underscore pp on macOS or pipe JQ on Windows. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.